Assin North na Oraje Chekwesen wie ne kasa won twetwe ni penny de mind this amanyoko fifi kwete so ede ensema hodo to dwache mo nsem kunim de we de eda na de pefe se ne Ghana wontimenfo obi akra eni agro de waka de wasusuo no eno an wo beye no so nsem odi to dwa eni.
For us, it actually goes beyond the NDCS. It goes beyond the NDCS. It's a victory not just for candidate Chekwesen. It's a victory for truth. It's a victory for justice. And also it's a victory that signals that the people of Ghana are not prepared to sell their soul. That you cannot destroy a nation politically, morally, pervert the systems, the institutions, and come and think that you can buy the soul of the people by throwing what you call last-minute goodies at them, trying to deceive them and so on. So it's a number of great victories beyond just Assin North. Things were together. So we see a signal, an awakening, and a message that is being sent to the rest of Ghana. We are going to move into high gear. We are going to move into strategy. We are going to move to what you call effective planning towards 2024. And of course, coming up with ideas that we need to be able to revive this economy and restore Ghana again. We have said it, that some of the mistakes made in the past will not be repeated. I personally have pledged to the country that we will clearly see a coalition system that's different. That's the beginning of things that are happening.